Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a really easy swipe. I usually use a lot of similar colors in my pieces, so today I was wanting to experiment with a swipe using a broader range of colors to see how they interact with each other. And since I'm in experimental mode, I thought I'd do a portion of the swipe with white paint and a portion of the swipe with black paint to see, which of those options provides a better result. As you can see, I've already laid down some light violet, and now I'm adding turquoise. This is light blue. This is aqua green. This is brilliant yellow. This is orange. And this is crimson. I'm just trying to scrape out a bit more paint so that I can fully cover the canvas with these colors before we go ahead and do the swipe. All the paints that I'm using today are Artist Loft paints, and all the colors that I've laid down already for the base are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water with 1 drop of silicone. Okay, to prepare for the swipe, I'm just laying down some titanium white and ivory black, both of which are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. So these paints are a thinner consistency than the base colors, and they don't have any silicone in them. This plastic that I'm swiping with is just a piece of the plastic that the canvas came wrapped in. So I just cut a portion that, was the right size for the canvas, and I'm using that. Wow, I love how many cells are already popping up. obviously I knew we'd get cells, but I wasn't necessarily expecting to get this many. Here's a bit of a time lapse so you can see how the cells grew while I was getting ready to bring you in for a close-up. So I was actually expecting to like the portion where I'd swiped with white more, which is why I did 2/3 using the white. But seeing the result, I think I might actually prefer the side where I did the black swipe. Which side do you prefer, the black or the white? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more fluid acrylic art tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.